Hello and welcome everybody. So far we discussed about threat actors. They are all of different kinds. Apart from what we know already, we should be aware of what their attributes are, the internal and the external actors. And that means the people who are working internally within the organization, who have full access and knowledge, and others who are external, who could be individuals or groups outside the organization. But they must have some resources, some funding available as well, isn't it? So these resources range from sophisticated hacking tools to financial backing from a criminal organization or even nation state. Finally, they must have some level of sophistication and capabilities, right? Well, some of them are highly technically skilled insiders. There are others who are highly organized external groups. Well, the sophistication is also not just related to technical skills, but it encompasses the tactics, the persistence, and the ability to exploit the specific vulnerabilities. With the help of upcoming sections, you will gain a clear understanding of the varied landscape of these threat actors and what their motivations are, right? The first point that we're going to chat about is internal and external attributes of these actors. Let us begin.